Introducing Wurth BMF Cleaner, the environmentally friendly cleaner for workshop machines and vehicles. Wurth BMF Cleaner does not contain phosphates, solvents or etching substances. It can be applied mechanically, manually or with high pressure applicators. For easy application to most areas, use Wurth BMF pump spray bottle. Wurth BMF Cleaner has a high degreasing capacity but is gentle and kind to material. It will not damage lacquer, rubber and plastic. It can be sprayed directly on metal and plastic parts to loosen road grime. When watered down or applied through a pressure washer, Wurth BMF Cleaner makes an ideal car and truck wash. Wurth BMF Cleaner is the perfect solution to use with floor cleaning machines. The self-emulsifying degreaser that is silicone-free and 100% biodegradable. Unlike other cleaners on the market, Wurth BMF Cleaner is also highly recommended for use with oil and water separators. Wurth BMF Cleaner, the highly effective clean and green option.